Hello. Today, first off, welcome back. If you haven't been here before, welcome to the kitchen. Today, I'm going to make my, like originally was my mother's, but I've added to it my homemade chili. It's quick. Well, not so quick. Depends how long you let it simmer. But hey, we have all the time. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Helps our channel. Like, comment, give me your chili recipe. I'll try it. I'll try everything. So, first off, let's get going. Medium heat. Sprinkle of olive oil. That should be good. 1 onion. Pound. Medium ground beef. Yeah, I broke the clip, so I'm holding it right now. I'm going to stir in some champignon. Some champignon. So I used a can of sliced champignon. Yes, I speak Spanish. Amazing, isn't it? 1 orange sweet pepper. Little bit of oregano. Say 3/4 of a teaspoon. I do not. Thought I had minced garlic? I do not. I have garlic powder. So we're going to say a teaspoon. Okay, we'll go with that. To your taste, whatever you like. Some pepper. I like my pepper. Salt, Himalayan. Just want to soften these peppers up a little bit. They will soften as they cook, but just a little bit. 146 mil, 5.5 ounce tomato paste. Mix that in. I would have had all the ingredients, but however, I just had an urge for chili today. It's cold, and I just had an urge. Usually I would use diced tomatoes, or sorry, whole tomatoes stewed, because it gets more flavor because the tomato is holding. However, I have garlic and olive oil, 2 cans, how big? 540 mils. These are diced. It's a 1. And 1 more. petite cut stewed tomatoes. So they're not crushed, but they're petite cuts. So you can see how it's getting thicker already. A little more garlic. Another half teaspoon, say. A bit more oregano. Starting to bubble and boil. You can see the consistency of the thickness. It's going to get thicker. Heat, so some sriracha, just a tablespoon. Gives a little kick. Don't worry, a tablespoon. If you don't like heat, it's not a lot of heat, but you'll find it. A touch cayenne pepper, like half a teaspoon. As I get older, I used to love hot stuff, and then for a long time I didn't, and now I'm starting to like getting happier with hot stuff. I don't know why. The next ingredient may be controversial. I'm not a huge kidney beef fan. I'll eat them, but I'm not huge. But just regular pork and beans. If you don't like those kidney beans, so this will thicken it up again. Chili powder to your liking. We'll start with that and see how that sits in there. Chili powder is a hit and miss. It's either too much or too little. That's not enough. But you can alter. You can put your. Usually, I'll use fresh mushrooms, but I didn't have them, and I was just like, I just have this urge for chili, and I didn't feel like going out. But same thing. Throw kidney beans in if you like. Doesn't matter to me. Wow. I'm going to say about a tablespoon and a half of chili powder. That seems to be, if you like. I got some triple cheddar cheese or whatever cheese you want to throw on it. I'm going to do just a little bit, triple cheddar. Whoop. Sour cream. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. You can get a little bit on the side with the sour cream. Sometimes I'll have nacho chips. Just dip them in, eat it. A little chili, a little sour cream, cheese. It's good. Little bit of little bit of heat with the sriracha and the Cajun pepper. Delicious though. Delicious. So I didn't add water to this one, obviously. Get a piece of everything here. Well, that's my chili. Handed down. We never used to get sriracha, obviously, when we were kids, or the peppers. But yeah, that was basically our chili is growing up. But hey, if you got a good recipe out there for chili, I'm always willing to try. I love chili. I think most people do. But anyway, that's it for today. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe to the channel, helps us out. Whatever happens, we're eating it. And comment. I love hearing the comments. Not all the bad ones, but you guys have been pretty good with me so far. But yeah, let's hear some comments. Send me a recipe. I'm willing to try anything. So till next time, have a good week, and we'll see you later.